Get ready to master Facebook ads and Facebook marketing. Let's start with the essentials and let's make it fun. Firstly, if you don't have a Facebook business page, go to www.facebook.com/pages/creation and get started with your business or brand page. You can set up your Facebook business page within a few minutes in an easy step-by-step process. Start with your name and category. Be sure to fill out your address and contact information properly. Make sure your cover stands out with an interesting video or a stunning picture. Attract your future customers with a story and make sure to clearly state what your product or service is directly in your Facebook business page. Click on Settings and connect your Facebook business page with your Instagram profile. Connecting your Facebook business page with your Instagram profile allows you to use all the powers that both platforms offer. You'll get more detailed guidance on this throughout the course. You can also jump ahead a few sections and watch the Winning Facebook Business Page section. In this section, you can watch my screen recordings while I do the full business page optimization process. Secondly, set up your Facebook Business Manager. Go to business.facebook.com and set up your Facebook Business Manager account. The Facebook Business Manager is the mother of all your business settings. Inside the Business Manager, you will set up number 1, ADS Manager, number 2, Catalog Feeds, number 3, Facebook Pixel Events, number 4, Credit or Debit Card, and number 5, a custom lookalike audience. Right after this video, you'll be guided through a complete explanation of the Facebook Business Manager settings, including a detailed explanation of catalogs, audiences, and Facebook Pixel with the Event Settings tool. Thirdly, you need to understand that the core essence of your success is great content combined with correct targeting and retargeting. You need to know that Facebook loves engagement. Shares are the most important, followed by comments and then likes. Also, each person who gives you a like can easily be invited into your Facebook business page. This way, you can easily expand the number of your followers. Why do most people fail with Facebook Messenger and Instagram ads? Because they either do not understand A, the importance of the 3 new key metrics, or B, they do not follow the 3 steps of a customer's journey on social media. Facebook has deployed 3 new key metrics. Number 1, quality ranking. Number 2, engagement rate ranking. And number 3, conversion rate ranking. Quality ranking measures the quality of your content compared to your competition's. Engagement rate ranking measures your ability to engage your audience, and conversion rate ranking measures your performance compared to your competition. This simply means that engaging content with the right targeting and retargeting is an absolute must. It also means that if you want to sell your products or get leads via your website, and you've already optimized for conversions, then your website must be performing well. And it especially must be optimized for mobiles and tablets. This is how you decrease your costs and increase your profits. Why is it so important to understand the customer's journey? Well, obviously you want to sell, you want to make money, and most importantly, you want to profit. Imagine you are meeting the woman of your dreams. You want to make love to her, marry her, and live happily ever after. The part where you live happily ever after is the conversion, because conversion is the moment you have reached your goal. If you walk up to a woman you don't know and ask her to sleep with you or marry you, she'll probably slap you in the face. She has to first, number 1, get to know you, number 2, build some trust, and number 3, decide if she wants you or not. It's the same with customers on social media. Your potential customer needs to know about you, trust you, and then he'll happily spend money with you. The customer's journey on social media is very similar to real life. It is explained in 3 steps. Number 1, awareness. In the real world, it would be giving you a leaflet with an invitation into a store. Number 2, consideration. In the real world, it would be visiting the shop and trying the product. Number 3, conversion. In the real world, it would be going to the cashier and paying for the product. The first thing you need to do on social media is to reach people. That is why you are using reach ads and brand awareness ads. These ads are specifically designed to help you reach as many people as possible for as cheap as possible. You can use videos, pictures, or picture gallery with good text, links, and contact details. Your targeting activities are wider. You mainly target for location, interest, income, and age. You basically just need to let people know you exist. Secondly, you need to engage people and make them consider you as the best option. You have to create engaging galleries with strong call to actions. Create professional-looking videos and start chatting with your potential customers via messenger ads. For lead generation, you can use special kinds of ads called lead ads. During this phase, you can also create traffic ads. This drives traffic to your website and gets the audience ready for retargeting via dynamic conversion ads. In this course, you will learn how to drive traffic to your website, create stunning videos and professional galleries that bring massive engagement. You will also know how to create messenger and lead generation ads with simple chatbots. As a bonus, you will get a complete video creation guide. So if we go back to the woman of your dreams analogy, remember, she first needs to know you exist. Number 1, you need to start talking to her. Number 2, you go out with her, have fun together, watch movies together, and start texting each other. Thirdly, you ask her to become your wife and you marry her. This is a successful conversion. You've accomplished the 3rd phase. During the consideration phase, your targeting is more precise. You can also use the power of custom and lookalike audiences. Custom audiences are very powerful because they can help you to retarget, number 1, visitors of your website, number 2, visitors of your website that have performed a desired action, for example, initiating the checkout process, number 3, people engaging with your Facebook business page, number 4, people engaging with your Instagram profile, number 5, your customer list uploaded into Facebook Business Manager, and number 6, people that have already been watching your videos. You'll get much more about custom audiences throughout the course. Lookalike audiences give you extra superb turbo supercharging power. Nobody knows more about us than our mother, our wife, and Facebook. So it's very easy for Facebook to create an exact lookalike audience for you. For example, Facebook can create a very similar audience to people that have already been engaging with your content, purchasing from you, or visiting your website. Because you've chosen the best Facebook ads course on the internet, you'll know how to use the power of Facebook pixel events with custom audiences and lookalike audiences. You will be able to retarget people that have, for example, initiated the checkout process but never finished the purchase. You'll easily be able to retarget them back with dynamic ads. This leads us to the most important part, conversion, the 3rd phase of the customer journey. To master this phase, you need to correctly set up your Facebook pixel. Most e-commerce and website platforms offer automated integration, but most people fail to do a complete setup. They just think that copying the Facebook pixel code is enough, but it's not. The most important thing for you is to use the Facebook pixel event tool on Google Chrome. You must use all the power Facebook pixel gives you. You need to mark customer events like clicking on the contact button, searching for a product or location, giving you a lead, initiating checkout, or adding payment information. Without this setup, it's just impossible to reach the best results. That is why we'll spend 45 minutes just on correct Facebook pixel event setup. Now, you are ready for the profits to roll into your bank account. You can use the highest power of conversion ads. Conversion ads are special kinds of ads where Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram are trying their best to drive audiences to your website that are more likely to buy your products or give you a lead. For these ads, you often have to retarget with custom and lookalike audiences. You mainly retarget your website visitors and already engaged people from your Facebook business page and Instagram profile. As every business is different, you can also test standard targeting based on age, interests, location, and income. With conversion rate ranking, you truly need your website to be performing well. That is why we're showing you in this course how to create an outstanding website on WordPress without any coding. The crown jewel of Facebook ads is dynamic ads, also called catalog sales. Dynamic ads are the most powerful retargeting tool that can transform all your biggest battles into great victories. They require automated synchronization with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and correct pixel setup as well as catalog feeds for standard websites. They're available for e-commerce, travel industry, automotive, and real estate businesses. They help you to retarget your website visitors dynamically according to content they've been looking at. It can be a product, offer, or even a property. They also help you to retarget people who have initiated but never finished the checkout payment process. It looks like thousands of salesmen running to all your potential customers with personalized offers. Every second, every minute, every hour, every day, 365 days a year. And once you set them up, you win. They work for you day and night, non-stop. That's why we created a special section just about dynamic ads and catalogs. We also give you a detailed step-by-step to-do list to help you set them up correctly. So what else can help you succeed with Facebook ads? Well, you need to understand the structure of Facebook ad creation, the usage of budget optimization, and the power of automated placements. Budget optimization is key. It allows you to create more ads in ad set within a campaign. Facebook ads are well structured and easy to follow. You always set up your campaign in 3 simple steps. Number 1, a campaign objective helps you define your goal and budget. We always recommend setting up a small budget of $2 to $5 a day until your campaign is performing well. Number 2, ad set helps you to set up your targeting and retargeting options as well as placement of your ads. This way you can use all the powers of Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. You can push your ads on all platforms simultaneously. You can also use the power of automated placements. Nowadays, Facebook is publicly promising to deliver the best results with automated placements. Ad creation is the moment you can show all your creative skills. You can create a picture, a carousel, or a video with compelling text and a link with a strong call to action. When you create more ads inside one ad set within one campaign, Facebook can test these ads for you and help you in finding the one that is the best performing. This will greatly increase your efficiency. This is called budget optimization. Facebook will choose for you the best performing ad to help you to increase your profits and decrease your costs. So, this was the introduction. Are you ready to master Facebook marketing and Facebook ads? Then you are in the right course. Let's start directly with complete Facebook Business Manager and Facebook Pixel Events setup. Please, be our hero. If you enjoyed this course, please support it and leave an honest review. We put our heart and soul into everything we give you, and we always value our customers' appreciation.